Did you know that the toilet flapper is the #1 issue leading to running and leaking toilets? The flapper is found inside the toilet tank and is attached to the flush valve. When the toilet is flushed, the chain connecting the toilet flapper to the flush lever lifts the flapper to allow water stored in the tank to flow to the bowl, washing away the waste. When the tank is emptied, the flapper will close, allowing the tank to refill with water. Over time, a flapper can become worn and allow water to leak from the tank into the bowl, resulting in water waste. Replacing a flapper is an easy project and can be done without the assistance of a plumber. Before you begin, it's helpful to know the differences in flapper types and sizes. There are 2 flapper sizes, standard 2-inch and large 3-inch. The 2-inch flapper is the most common, while the 3-inch flapper can be found in some toilets manufactured since 2000. You can determine your flapper size by measuring the diameter of the flush valve opening. Some flappers are adjustable and allow you to control the amount of water that is flushed. This adjustment can allow you to match the flush volume of the toilet's original flapper to ensure optimal flushing performance. If your toilet has a 3-inch flush valve, the adjustable Korky 3060 flapper will fit your toilet. If your toilet has a 2-inch flush valve, you will want to take other factors into consideration. Most 2-inch flush valves can be repaired with a universal flapper, such as the Korky 100 or 2017 flapper. These adjustable flappers are the preferred choice because they allow the user to adjust the flush volume to accommodate both low-flow toilets, 1.6 or less gallons per flush, and older toilets, 3.5 plus gallons per flush. The 2017 flapper is made from long-lasting premium materials and is backed by a 10-year warranty. Some 2-inch flush valves, especially those in one-piece Kohler toilets, require specialty flappers, meaning the flapper design is unique to a specific flush valve design. If you're unsure what type of toilet flapper you need, Korky's Toilet Genius tool is a good resource for determining the correct specialty flapper. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.